Realme is giving immense importance to the battery performance of Realme 8 series. Not only it's about the battery life of the phone, but also the charging speed. And that's what makes us so curious to battery test the Realme 8 in this video. This device is coming with a 5000 mAh battery, but that's not a big thing. The real thing is it is coming with 30 watt dart charge in this price point that actually gives 30 watts. In fact, we noted to be around 33 watt on our meter. And in this price range of 40,000 rupees in Pakistan, it's a great deal. So let's start our testing with the battery test. And one important thing, guys, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. It's really important for me. So with this charger, this battery gets back its power in 68 minutes, which is almost similar to what Realme claims. We also noted that it took exactly 65 minutes in another charging session, so it's very similar to what Realme promised. Now it's time to drain the battery fully by running video in a loop. As you already know, I keep the volume at 100% and the brightness level at 50%. And of course, the data and Wi-Fi are always off. So as far as this video loop test is concerned, you can see it's giving us an impressive video backup. With almost 26 hours, it's just amazing. By the way, if you will play video without earphones, the battery will drain faster, but still it should give you between 20 to 22 hours. Since it's an AMOLED screen, so you can see the visibility really good on the screen. The indoor and outdoor legibility are really nice. I mean, under the sun, it's very visible. The display is quite contrasty and content on the screen is always popping up. It has the single firing speaker, but the sound quality is very impressive. And with the headphones, you can get awesome sound experience. It has this real HD sound that makes the highs and lows very good. I happened to use the earphones while playing PUBG and the firing sound was really impressive. I also played Netflix with full brightness and volume level. And on the Wi-Fi, on average, it drained 5% battery in an hour, giving us around 20 hours of battery backup. And now it's time to run a few apps on 4G to see how the battery and performance turns out. Realme 8 is giving us Helio G95 chipset under the hood. GPU is ARM G76 and with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, it should give us a great multitasking and gaming experience. On Antutu, Realme 8 scored 330822. It's a little lower than Infinix Note 10 Pro that I tested recently, which also features a similar chipset, but this result is far better than Redmi Note 10, even Realme's own 7 Pro. On PUBG, you can either select HD graphics or ultra frame rate, both are great to go. It kept running PUBG at 30 frames per second and in 1 hour Realme 8 drained 14% battery. You can expect almost 6 to 7 hours of gaming backup on this phone depending upon how you play the game. But my experience remained quite smooth with no lag. You can further improve the battery performance from the setting area. Quickly you can turn on off the power saving mode. But if you're a performance lover, you can jump into more battery setting and select the performance mode you need. but keep in mind that high performance mode will quickly drain the battery. So friends, this is where I end the battery test video, and I hope you liked it. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to share something about this phone, please do so in the comment area. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz.